In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add power-ups in Trello. By the end, you'll know how to find, add, configure, toggle, and remove power-ups so your boards can do more without getting complicated. Power-ups are Trello's add-ons that extend what a board can do, like adding calendars, dashboards, or integrations. I'll walk you through the process in a clear, practical way so you can follow along on your own screen. Start by heading to the Trello homepage and sign in if you aren't already. Once you're in, open the boards view so you can see everything you have access to. From here, choose the board where you want to enhance your workflow. I'll open an existing board called Tasks to Do, but you can use any board you like. It's best to pick a board where the benefit of a power-up is obvious, such as a board you use frequently for planning or tracking. Inside the board, look for the Power-Ups button. You'll typically find it in the board menu or near the top, depending on your layout. Click that, then select Add Power-Ups to open Trello's Power-Up directory. This is where you can browse categories, search by name, and read descriptions to understand what each add-on does. As you explore, consider what problem you want to solve. Do you need better reporting, calendar views, custom fields, or time tracking? Each Power-Up page shows what's included, whether it's free or paid, and any permissions it needs. When you've found one that fits, click Add. Trello will attach it to your board right away. Some power-ups show an extra confirmation or a quick setup prompt. If you see an Add or Enable button again, click that to finalize. At this point, the power-up is active, and you can usually see a new button, board view, or card action related to it. Next, let's look at managing it. Open the Power-Ups panel again on the same board to see the list of installed power-ups. You'll notice a toggle next to each one. This switch lets you turn a power-up on or off without removing it, which is handy for testing features or troubleshooting. Go ahead and flip it off to see that nothing on your board breaks. Then toggle it back on so it's available again. To customize how a power-up behaves, click its Settings option, then choose Edit Power-Up Settings. Here you'll find configuration options specific to that add-on. Select the features or behaviors you want to enable, like which lists or fields it should use, how it displays information, or what actions it adds to cards. Take a moment to review your choices so they match your workflow, then click Save. Use the back arrow to return to your power-ups list when you're done. If you decide a power-up isn't needed anymore, you can disable it entirely. In the Power-Ups panel, select Disable on that power-up. Trello will ask whether you want to keep any associated data. Choose the option that suits your needs. Keeping data is helpful if you plan to re-enable it later, while removing data keeps your board clean. Confirm by clicking Disable Power-Up. If a power-up opened a dedicated panel or window on your board, close that as well to remove the visual element. Finally, if you want to try more, open the Power-Ups panel again and add additional ones the same way. A few quick tips as you experiment. Toggling is safe for testing, disabling is reversible if you keep the data, and settings are where the real value comes from, so don't skip that step. With these steps, you can confidently enhance any Trello board and tailor it to the way you work.